Welcome back, everybody. I hope all is good. Everybody in the spirit of Christmas yet? We have done bag 1 through 4 that has built our little delivery truck. Bag 5 is laid out and ready to go. For those that have watched the other videos, as I mentioned, this is probably going to be presents in the tree, which is true. That's what they're doing. So that's how they set it up. So we're going to get this going. There's a lot of little pieces for sure. So we're going to try to take our time, make sure we do this right, and get this all taken care of nice and neatly. It's going to be fun. They've got us putting these in there. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and slide these in if I can. There we go. All right, so a couple presents already in there. Okay, all right. Okay, and then this one goes in there. There we go. I think you got, yep, there we go. Okay. And then the next present, which these are very small. That one goes in there. Okay, well, why don't we lay this down? That makes it a lot easier to get in there. I didn't even pay attention to that. Let's make this one. Two more of these. Two, the purple, one blue, this yellow, and the little envelope. Cool. So the envelope is going in here. So we'll go ahead and slide that there. Cool. And then we stack this one on top of that one. Okay.